Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A72 4G is getting the Snapdragon 720G chipset. Google Play console that confirmed. An extensive leak from a mid-February detailed that the Samsung upcoming smartphone, the Galaxy A72 4G, now the device has appeared in the Google Play console, which lends legitimacy to the leaked specs. The GPC confirmed that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 720G chipset. It will equip it with a 6 gigs of RAM by default, but we have seen an 8 gigabytes version as well of the upcoming Galaxy A72 4G. The phone will launch with the Android 11 and should receive 3 years of OS update and 4 years of security patches, just like the A71 4G and A51 4G. Anyway, we probably looking at the 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabyte storage option of this one. As of the screen, the GPC reveals that it will have a 1080p plus resolution. Rumors page that the says 6.7 inch and way maybe see 90 Hz refresh rate that for the 4G version. There will be also a Galaxy A72 5G likely based on the Snapdragon 750G that will up the refresh rate at 120 Hz. Looking back to the other leak of this smartphone, the phone is expected to have a 64 megapixel back primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto 2x magnification zoom, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera will have a 32 megapixel sensor. The phone should have IP67 dust and water resistant, 5000 mAh battery and 25-volt charger in the box. According to unconfirmed info, the Galaxy A72 and A52 model will be unveiled later this month in March. They will be available in Europe as well, where the A72 4G is expected to starting from 450 euro. So this is the latest update about the upcoming A72 smartphone. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.